Oh my god, seriously? We got a package from Pearl Confectionery and it's amazing. They are famous worldwide, everywhere, and everybody knows about them. And today we'll be unboxing this package and like seeing what's inside. So let's call my sister, Lavina Wade. You already know who she is, from Teen Kumi Studio. And now she's finally here herself, Teen Kumi Studio.
Okay, so my name is Lava, as my brother has told you. We have gotten a package from Pearl Confectioneries Limited, and it's from Sweet Hill, and they've been around from 1982, and they're like the leaders in sweets in Pakistan, and they're known worldwide. And I'm super excited to open this box, so let's get right into it. Okay, so where's it? The knife. Okay. So they've been around from 1982. They have amazing sweets. They have a wide range, and they are literally have the best sweets. Okay, yeah. Now that that's open, let's open it up. Whoa, oh, it's so colorful. Okay, first thing we have are two jackets, and they have Sweet Hill right here, and they are Chatpata, it's written over here, and these are really cute and very vibrant as well. So next we have a lot of candies in here, and it's just like a burst of color.
It's like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
Okay, so let's start over here.
Yeah.
Mere chili jellies. So judging from the chilies, this is gonna be a spicy candy, and well, that's gonna be fun to eat. Next. Okay, what's this?
I think it's like a cup or something. I think so.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, your guess was right.
Oh yeah, it was right. Because like the cup.
Okay, so they have their own cup from Sweet Hill. Let's open it. This is fun.
Oh they have a lot of merchandise.
So this mug is really cute. It even has eclairs on it. Okay, so that's the third thing that we have over here. What is this next? Choco Bites. These are cute. So they obviously have chocolate in it, and this is gonna be fun to eat.
I love chocolate.
Yeah. So, whoa, we have a lot of things in here. Okay, so next we have, what do we have here? These are the Chatpati candies, and these are gelatin free, as it's written over here. And these look yummy. So these are like the partners of our Merchili candy. Okay, so next we have the soft orange flavored jelly. So these are basically like the strawberry ones, but in orange flavor. Okay, next.
Now
what do you want to choose?
Eclairs, the famous eclairs.
Everyone's favorite. They are just delicious. They have their own burst of flavor, and everyone eats them. Like, who doesn't? Yeah. So that's that. Okay, what's next?
Now we will go for the bubblegum.
Okay, so what are these called? The Dino Tang. So these are bubblegum, and well, you chew bubblegum. And well, yeah.
They're black flavor.
Oh, they are? Cool. Okay, so they're blackcurrant bubblegum Dino Tang. Next.
Okay, I've seen this before.
Chizzler.
Seen this before somewhere.
Yep. So these are mint candies?
Yeah.
Yeah, soft mint chews. Okay. Next we have.
Oh, yeah.
This is a lot of candy, to be honest.
This is literally my favorite part.
The chocolate beans. Well, everyone's familiar with chocolate beans because, well, everyone eats them.
Yeah.
So next we have fruit Fruit Delight. And these are the original. They are colorful, fun to eat, fun to play with at times. And well, candy is candy. Who doesn't like candy? Okay. Whoa, we're running out of space here. Next.
Next, we'll go with the
Lollipops.
lollipops. Wow.
Just suck on them whenever you want
Yeah.
to. These are the
Wow.
Meller Pops.
Yeah.
And they have different colors, so I'm guessing different flavors too. And well, just suck on them whenever you feel like it. They have their own flavor, so there's a huge variety here, and we're running out of space, as you see. And the last one we have in this box are these milk candies.
Yeah.
And they're called Dr. Milk because they're milk candies. Well, that's it. And I just want to dig into all of these. They have their own flavors. They're unique in their own way. They're colorful. They're fun to eat, fun to play with. They're just their own whole world. So that's it. Thank you, Sweet Hill Pearl Confectionery, for sending us this package. I'm gonna have a lot of fun eating all of this. So we'll see you guys. Bye.
Bye.